Is
Yes.
somewhere this entire issue embarrassing the Congress because there is no clarity on your stand on Article 370? Mr. Chidambaram has said something, Dr. Manmohan Singh says something else. We want clarity. Are you supportive of the abrogation as a party of Article 370? Are you supportive of having an alliance with these Kashmir-based parties because you don't want them to be delegitimized? You don't want a political vacuum. Let's get clarity.
Rajdeep, 45 amendments were brought into Article 370 over the period of several years, several governments. Did you ever see any hue and cry from anywhere in the country? It was gradually done. It was done through consensus. For God's sake, a country such as India cannot be run in a manner being run today. It has to be done bringing everybody across the table, sitting there, building consensus. It is a long-term exercise, and it was done beautifully by the Congress and by other governments also. I wouldn't say just the Congress, everyone. And everybody collaborated, partnered into ensuring that the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court extends to Jammu and Kashmir, that the jurisdiction of the Election Commission extends to Jammu and Kashmir. Under original Article 370, it was not allowed. But gradually, everything came there. The laws, every single law.
What is the Congress party's clear stand?
I am coming.
What is the Congress party's clear stand?
If I am coming to that, sir, our clear stand, if you can't understand that consensus is our clear stand. सबको साथ लेकर चलो, इसमें क्या आपत्ति है किसी को भी? और अगर, if they are not allowed to contest elections, why don't you just ban those political parties, Dr. Sambit Patra, instead of abusing them on channels and making a mockery of democracy, just ban them. Number two, तिरंगे पे बड़ा भाषण सुन रहा था मैं अभी डॉक्टर संबित पात्रा का। राजदीप सरदेसाई नागपुर में 26 जनवरी 2001 को बाबा मेंढे, रमेश कलम्बे and Dilip Chatwani, these three people entered the RSS headquarters and hoisted the national flag. उनकी पिटाई की गई, उन पर केस चलाया गया, 2013 में जाकर बाइज्जत बरी हुए। ये तिरंगे की बात करते हैं? They were against तिरंगा। इन्होंने 1948 में तिरंगे को पांव के नीचे रौंदा था। And mind you, I should remind you, Rajdeep, they forget. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, when he entered into an agreement with RSS, when he removed the ban, you know what was the precondition? One of the preconditions was you will respect the tricolor. इनके सामने तो गृह मंत्री उस वक्त के हाथ जोड़कर उनको डंडा दिखाकर और फिर बोला कि आप अगर तिरंगे को सम्मान नहीं दोगे तो आपको फिर से बैन कर दिया जाएगा। ये है आरएसएस का देश प्रेम का इतिहास। ये बताएंगे, किसी और को भाषण देंगे देश प्रेम?
It's a false fake news that he's talking about. I need to answer.
Incorrect. सरदार वल्लभभाई पटेल ने ये शर्त रखी थी या नहीं रखी थी?
Rajdeep, can I answer?
Case number 176 of Nagpur.
Rajdeep, can I answer? Can I answer, Rajdeep?
Ask you not to interrupt.
No,
Case number 176 of Nagpur, settled in 2013. Baba Mende, Ramesh Kalambe, Dilip Chatwani, इन पर आपकी सरकार ने, महाराष्ट्र की सरकार ने 2001 में केस दर्ज किया था या नहीं किया?
Okay.
क्या कसूर था इनका कि इन्होंने आरएसएस पर जबरदस्ती तिरंगा
Rajdeep, can I please come in?
क्योंकि आप तिरंगे के खिलाफ थे।
You made the point. You made the point, Mr.
ये ठेकेदार बनते हैं देश प्रेम के, माफ कीजिएगा, होते कौन है ये सर्टिफिकेट देने वाले देश प्रेम के? Who are you? हो कौन?
चलिए मैं बताता हूँ।
आपको तो सर्टिफिकेट सरदार पटेल ने दिया था।
राजदीप बोलिए, ये जाके पाकिस्तान में चुनाव लड़ेंगे, हमें कोई आपत्ति नहीं है।
Now he must be allowed to speak. He must be allowed to get a final word on this. You made a very serious charge. You have made a serious charge. Who is he a ठेकेदार of Deshbhakti? No. Now, Mr. Khera, you made the charge. Let him respond.
Rajdeep,
you are being questioned. Your patriotism.
No, he has to respond. No, Rajdeep, I want answers.
Rajdeep, can you allow me to speak now, or should I come to my form?
Why
I have heard enough now. It's my turn to speak.
Nagpur, case number 176.
Can I please come in now, Rajdeep?
RSS ने केस क्यों दर्ज किया?
ये दोनों बैठे यहाँ पे 370 लाने के लिए पाकिस्तान और चाइना के पेपर ने बोला कि इतना नाटक रच रखा है।
संबित पात्रा जवाब दीजिए।
Yeah, he will give an answer. He must